दोस्तों, अगर आप घर बैठे जेन्युइन वर्क फ्रॉम होम जॉब की तलाश में हैं, तो आज की वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत खास है। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको एक शानदार जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी के बारे में पूरी जानकारी दूंगा, तो वीडियो को अंत तक जरूर देखें। और अगर चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक करें। चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं।
Hi, this is Vamsi from Perspect AI. In this video, I will guide you through the platform and explain the different types of questions you will encounter. I will also provide instructions on how to answer them and highlight important guidelines for taking the assessment. Make sure to check your email for the invite link. Do not forget to review the do's and don'ts at the bottom of the email. Let's get started. Firstly, you will be receiving an email such as in the format that you can see on the screen, with the logo of the company you applied for. Begins with the basic details of the assessment, duration of the test, when does the test expire, and before what time you are supposed to start the assessment, followed by the assessment link. And before clicking on the assessment link, please check the technical requirements and support details and the do's and don'ts specifically, so that you'll understand what is considered as malpractice throughout the assessment. Once you're good with all the guidelines, please click on the link mentioned there. This will redirect you to a different page where you'll have to register yourself. Once your registration is done, you can see the page like you can see on the screen with the start button on it. Click on start and the device will go through a basic test to ensure that the camera, mic and browser are all as per the requirements along with the internet speed. And once you click on start and before the assessment begins, a photo capture will be taken, so that this picture will be compared throughout the other pictures taken throughout the assessment. And if there are any multiple faces or new faces peeping into the screen or into the camera, all those will be flagged on your report. This will impact your hiring chances drastically. Make sure that there is no one around you while taking the assessment. Please dress appropriately. Make sure there is enough lighting falling on your face and always position your face in front of the camera. Once the photo is captured, it will directly take you to the assessment and show you all the unlocked modules that you have in this specific assessment. Now let's begin with the unlocked module, which is English language test. It gives you all the basic instructions. Please go through them thoroughly. And click on yes only when you hear the audio from the system, followed by the microphone check. And since we are in the English language test right now, we have modules covering reading, listening, speaking, writing, grammar, and typing. The questions that you might get and the tasks that you might get might be varied based on the test you are attempting. Let's begin as per the sequence, which here is the reading module. So you have instructions about this section, the number of passages you'll be getting, the duration for each passage, and please go through the instructions thoroughly. Read the passage and answer the multiple choice questions. Each passage is timed. Answer all the questions in the given time. Once submitted, you cannot change the answers. Once you're good with the instructions, click on proceed. The middle center part highlighted is the timer, and the right side is the submit responses button. And the timer begins when you click on start test. And after the reading module, we have the listening section. And under listening, there can be multiple tasks, and the task that is given first is the listen and type. So the instructions for this task are: listen to the audio clips and type what you hear. Each question is timed. Answer all the questions in the given time. You cannot change the answers once submitted. There will be 2 clips given to you in a duration of 1 minute each. After the listen and type, we have the listen and answer section. Listen to the audio clip and answer the multiple choice questions. Each question is timed. Answer all the questions in the given time. You cannot change the answer once submitted. There will be 1 clip for a duration of 3 minutes. And please select the option that you choose right once you listen to the audio. And once you're good with the responses that you've given, click on submit. Then comes the speaking module. The first task given here is extempore. And the instructions are: in this task, you will get a specific topic, image, or video to talk about. Deliver your speech with confidence and clarity. Each question is timed. Answer all the questions in the given time. Put your device in silent or do not disturb mode. Once you're clear with the instructions, click on proceed. The question here is: speak about a place you would like to go in future. And the points to cover: where is it? What would you like to do when you get there? What made you choose this place? And once you are good with the question and the points to cover, click on record now to submit your answer. So this is how the basic instructions work and the flow for the candidate looks like. And after the speaking module, we have the writing module. The first task given is abstract writing. And the instructions are: read the question and submit your response. Each question is timed. Answer all the questions in the given time. You cannot change the answer once submitted. You'll be given 1 question and the duration for the entire task is 6 minutes. The left side is the question and the right side is what you want to submit the answer. And you can see the timer, and after you're good with the response that you want to submit, you can click on submit. And the next task given is email writing. You find the question on the left side, and the right side you have the subject section and the body section where you'll have to submit your response. The coming task that we have right now is analytical writing. The instructions are: read the question and submit your response. Each question is timed. Answer all the questions in the given time. You cannot change the answer once submitted. There will be 1 question for a duration of 6 minutes for you to submit the response. The left side section is the question and the right side part is where you'll have to enter your response. After all the writing questions, we have the grammar section. And the task given here is sentence completion. The instructions are: read the question and submit your response. Each question is timed. Answer all the questions in the given time. You cannot change the answer once submitted. Choose the right option and click on submit. After that, you have the typing. This is a regular typing section where you will be presented with a few paragraphs and you need to type the text in the given time. Please try to type the exact as accurately as possible. You will be scored based on typing speed and accuracy. And once you're submitted with all the modules, a congratulations message will be popping up. It means that your test has been completed.